Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 9th, I welcome you all in App6 online support program round 2. This is week 5. Hope all of you are fine. So let's start today's lecture. The contents of today's lectures are: first we will read pronoun and its kinds, and then we will move on to chapter number 3, media and its impact, and we will do exercise of this chapter. So let's begin. What is a pronoun? A pronoun can replace a noun or another pronoun. You can use pronouns like he, which, none, and you to make your sentences less cumbersome and less repetitive. The meaning of cumbersome is large, heavy, clunky. मीन जो अच्छा ना लगे, जो बेहतर ना लगे सेंटेंस में. There are many kinds of pronoun. The number one is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun refers to specific person or a thing and changes its form to indicate person, number, gender and case. The next one is demonstrative pronoun. In demonstrative pronoun, it identifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, this and these refer to the things that are nearby, either in space or in time, while that and those refer to the things that are farther away in space or time. The demonstrative pronouns are: this are four in number, this, that, these and those. There are two examples. This must not continue. 3 customers wanted these. This and that is used for singulars, whereas these and those refers to the plural nouns. Next one is intriguitive pronoun. Intriguitive pronoun is used to ask questions. The intriguitive pronouns are who, whom, which, what, and the compounds formed with the suffix ever. These 4 are called interrogative pronouns, and also the compound word with the suffix ever. For example, whoever, whomever, whichever and whatever. Note that either which or what can also be used as interrogative adjectives, and that whom and who or which can also be used as a relative pronouns. For example, which wants to see the dentist first. Here which is interrogative pronoun. The next one is possessive personal pronoun. In a possessive personal pronoun, the pronoun is acting as a marker of possession and defines who owns a particular object or person. Students, do remember in this, it defines who owns a particular object or persons. The possessive personal pronouns are mine, yours, hers, is, his, its, ours and theirs. For example, the smallest gift is mine. Here mine is showing, here mine it refers to the possessive personal pronoun. That they are talking about their gift. That small gift or this small gift is mine, not anyone else. Reflexive pronoun. You can use a reflexive pronoun to refer back to the subject of the clause or a sentence. The reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourself, yourself, and the last one, themselves. Note each of these can also act as an intensive pronoun. For example, diabetic give themselves insulin shot several times a day. Here, themselves refers to the diabetic, and here themselves is a reflexive pronoun. In second example, Richard usually remembered to send a copy of his email to himself. Here himself is referring to the subject, that is Richard. वो उसके बारे में बात कर रहा है, इसलिए हमें पता चल जाएगा. In the next kind, there is indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun referring to an identifiable but not specified person or a thing. Identifiable but not specified person or a thing. For example, many were invited to the lunch but only 12 showed up. Here it is identifiable that many people were invited, but it is not specified which families were invited to the party or to the lunch. So now students, come to exercise of chapter number 3 from English book, and your home task is that you have to summarize the lesson with the help of the following mind map. You will place the events and these blocks. आप लोगों ने समरी लिखनी है लूज शीट्स के ऊपर, मीडिया एंड इट्स इम्पैक्ट, दैट इज द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर नंबर 3. आपने उसको समराइज करना है अपने वर्ड्स में, और आप मैक्सिमम इसके 1 2 3 4 5 6 शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ्स आप लिख सकते हैं, या फिर आप मैक्सिमम 2 to 3 पैराग्राफ्स के अंदर इस पूरे चैप्टर को समराइज करना है आपने. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. What is the most important function that media performs? What are the two major means of communication? How does media provide entertainment? What happens when media is allowed to play its role unchecked? एंड इसके बाद एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन भी है जो कि यहाँ पर मिसिंग है, आप लोगों ने अपनी बुक से देखना है फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 25, और आप लोगों ने इसको कवर अप करना है. आप लोग ये कर चुके हैं. यू हैव डन ऑल दीज एक्सरसाइज इन क्लास 8. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, फाइंड आउट योर कॉपीज एंड रिवाइज दीज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज. देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन B. Identify personal, possessive, reflexive and indefinite pronoun. You have to identify personal, possessive, reflexive and indefinite pronoun from these 4 questions. ये आपने बुक पे रिसॉल्व करना है, नहीं ये आप लोगों ने लूज शीट पे करना है. ठीक है, ये वाला क्वेश्चन A, B एंड C, और D आप लोगों ने बुक पर रिसॉल्व करना है बिकॉज वो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है. Next is identify pronoun errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. ये भी आप लोगों ने बुक पर सॉल्व करना है. This one is जिसके ऊपर शॉर्ट एरो है, ये वाला आप लोगों ने बुक पर सॉल्व करना है. ये 3 fill in the blanks भी उसी का पार्ट है. Next is change the voice. You have to change the voice. Active, passive or present tense. These are quite easy. The next question is change the paragraph into past indefinite tense. ये present में आपको given है, आपने इसको past में convert करना है, past की forms लगानी है. इसकी जगह was, has, have की जगह had, and जहाँ पर simple s या es की forms लगी वहाँ पर आप लोगों ने past indefinite मतलब second forms वगैरह use करनी है. आप लोगों ने देख लेना है sentence structure क्या बन रहा है. You have to solve this on your book. Now the G question is the punctuation. You will also do the punctuation on the book. Now question number A. Students, B question हम नहीं करेंगे, हम just A question करेंगे. Write a paragraph on uses and abuses of internet and mobile phone. You can search this question from internet also. You can take help from your siblings, from your parents, or you can also write it by yourself if you have vocabulary bank. Students, you have to write a paragraph of maximum 100 to 125 words or 150 words on uses and abuses of internet and mobile phone. ये आप लोग खुद भी कर सकते हैं, सिबलिंग की हेल्प से कर सकते हैं, पेरेंट्स की मदद से भी, लेकिन आप मेक श्योर जब आप इंटरनेट यूज कर रहे हो आपके पेरेंट्स आपके साथ जरूर बैठे होने चाहिए. You have to use internet with your parents and siblings. Okay students, क्वेश्चन नंबर बी हम लोगों ने नहीं करना, ऐसे आप लोगों के इंक्लूड नहीं है सिलेबस में. नेक्स्ट इज ईमेल. ईमेल भी आप लोगों ने नहीं करना. एंड दिस वाज ऑल फॉर वीक 5. होप ऑल ऑफ यू have understood. Thanks students, and if you have any query regarding this lecture you can ask me from 8 to 12 from Monday to Friday onwards. Okay students, जो बुक वर्क है वो बुक पर ही करना है, जो मैंने मेंशन किया. इसके अलावा जो कॉपी लूज शीट का काम है वो आप लोगों ने लूज शीट्स पे करना है. एंड मेक श्योर कि आपको प्रोनाउन एंड इट्स की काइंड्स बिल्कुल क्लियर हो. ठीक है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. थैंक्स. अल्लाह हाफिज.